Hey guys, my name is Asad Khan and I'm a graphic designer, and today I'm gonna show you how to design Instagram logo or icon in Photoshop. You might not need to design that icon because it's available all over the internet, but it's just to learn how to design icons, etc., to get an idea how to design icons in the Photoshop. So let's jump into the Photoshop, okay?
You should first select gradient tool, and here in gradient tool you gotta make this gradient. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Here select a purple color, then pink, then red, then yellow, and it's pretty simple. Like if you touch this, you can here choose the color whatever you want. So I have chosen these colors because these are the Instagram colors, the yellow, the red, the pink, and the purple. You can add any color if you just click here, right? But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna simply delete that. Okay, so if you make this gradient, okay, then click here new. When you click this new, it will save here. Okay, so when it's save here, then you should come to draw a triangle. When you want to draw a triangle, a rectangle, sorry, you should come here, and here you should select the gradient, and then gradient your the gradient that you saved earlier. Okay, so let's come here, let's write. Okay, hold the shift button so that the dimensions are the same. Okay, here you go. You should select these. Okay, you make it round just like the app icon. Okay, now after that, come to the rectangle tool and select the fill. And first of all, you gotta select this to invert it, because in Instagram the purple color is at the top. Now choose this and make it 95. Okay, rotate the colors. Okay, now it's done. We have to drag another rectangle and set the fill to none. Okay, set this to 25. Okay, 25. Draw another triangle. First place it at the top with N. Okay, make it round. Now we have to draw a circle. Now we have to draw a circle. Okay, circle. Let's do and adjust it. Okay, all right. Now we have to draw another circle. Now we have to draw another circle. Before that, click this fill and set it into white. Okay, now draw it right here. Hold the shift button so that the dimensions are the same. Okay, and yeah, after adjusting it a little bit, there you go. This is your Instagram icon.